guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Hurela here once more. It's the same packaging as last time. It has their social media and everything listed on the box. Oh, today's package feels like it got a few stuff. So I'm seeing a wig cap, got a little bag here with stuff. So in here I have a comb. What? Wow. For my recent packages, I've been getting earrings. These drop earrings. And they're cute. Ooh, and I got some fluffy lashes. These are 3D mink lashes. I also got another wig cap. Okay, them festive though. I get this pretty bandeau. That's cute. I got a drawstring bag, good for storage, very good for storage. And then lastly, nothing else is in the box, we have the wig. So this is a 24-inch highlight wig, as you can see. That's the vibes for the summer, if you guys have realized. Okay, highlighted wigs. If you never get one, you need to go get one now. It's not too late. So it's like a medium brown lace. It doesn't look pre-bleached, but yeah, it has a total of 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. The hair feels really soft, nice. Oh, by the way, it's a 13x4 lace front, and it feels nice and soft. I love that about it. Shedding, I got 1 strand. Yeah, I got it. So there's minimal shedding. There is minimal shedding. So as I said, it's 24 inches long. I'm going to put the density, you'll see it on the screen. Okay, so yeah, that's what that is. Yeah, so that's how the wig looks. Let's go ahead and jump into installing this. It's a medium cap, but it feels, you know, exact. Like I don't have to cut off that much of the ear portion. I don't know, the parting feels a little lean, so I might have to go in and center that. That's if I even should do a center part today. I don't even know.
Skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you. I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glory. gravitate, gravitate, gravitate you. Innovate, innovate, innovate you. Move like the
Okay guys, so it's looking pretty good, right? And I know, as I again showing you guys in its dry state, I'm showing you in it. Pull it. I'm showing you in its dry state so you can see, because I know you guys love when, you know, you can see it in its dry state, because I know you will wear it poofy or whatever. I, on the other hand, love when it has the wet look, so that's what I'm going to do. Yep. Done. I use just mostly water and a little, you know, mist. You can use anything you have. So I still have that poofy look, and that's what I wanted. I didn't want it to be too weighed down, so I just used mostly the water. So when it dries, it looks like curly and defined, but still like kind of like with a lot of volume. So that's what I wanted, and I'm giving fresh face today, no makeup. You know, sometimes I just say I have to do it, not every day for the makeup. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box. What I can say, it's definitely soft. I love the density. It's not heavy. That's a very important thing. Like, yeah, sometimes you have to understand, like, if you get like a really long length, it will have weight. Like if you have like 30 inches, 28 inches, you know, it will have weight. I mean, but this is 24 inches long, and it feels really light. So I'm going to put all the specifications, the direct link where you can go ahead and purchase this wig. Shout out to Hurela here once more. And yeah, that's it for today's look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also subscribe to PETITE-SUE TV. And that's it for today. So just go and make up on yourself, and I'll see you in my next video.
over your skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your body.